Hi friends, welcome in. Today we're going to talk about this girl. This is Coach Elodie Crossbody bag. I have had her now for about 6 months. And so what I thought I'd do today is just go over how I think she is doing 6 months later, what I still think about her, how she's been holding up, and show you what's inside of her. And yeah, and you can see what she looks like on me. Okay, but welcome. I am Victoria, and this is a contemporary handbag channel. I'm a coach fanatic. I'm a handbag fanatic. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. And if this is your first time, I hope you like it here, and I hope you stay and subscribe. Okay, this bag is fabulous. She is made out of this beautiful, smooth, shiny leather. I love this leather from Coach. This one is very nice. I love it. I am thinking of getting another bag in this leather. I believe the Rowan that they just released with the pockets, I believe the black one is this leather. I need to confirm that. But so back to this girl. She is absolutely gorgeous. I will have dimensions for this bag in the video, okay? But just to show you right now what she is looking like. She have this back pocket that is very generous, very big in the back. I'll show you what's in there in a minute. And in the interior of her, this is just fabric lining, but it's very soft to the touch. She's got two pockets, a front pocket and a larger middle pocket, and I have so much stuff in here, it's not even funny. This is an everyday bag. You could use this bag every day if you wanted to. She is large. I do have, she is packed up for work for me, and I do carry a lot of things to work, my friends. So yeah, so in a second we're gonna go over and I'm gonna show you everything that is inside of her. We're ready for work. Just want to give a close-up of what she looks like. She's gorgeous. So I have 3 chains on here. I was using these 3 chains on my Andre barrel the last couple of days. I just transferred them to her. But yeah, so 3 chains, and I have a dice charm over here, and I just tied a little twilly. And then over on this side is my cluster. But just to show you how I have connected my O-ring, I just want to get closer. So in case you're interested and want to know how to do this, I took an O-ring and I put it in between the, hopefully you can see this, the hole here. See, there's 2 holes where the chain runs through, and I don't want to obstruct this chain. I want to be able to do this with this bag, and to be able to do that, you put the O-ring, oh, now I took it off, but between there and there. Does that make sense? Hopefully. You put it between one of the, if you put it here, you will obstruct the chains and wouldn't be able to move the chain back and forth. But if you put it through here, like if you put the O-ring through here, and I'm going to do this, if you put it through there to one of these holes, then you're free to move the chains back and forth. So there's how she looks. She's gorgeous. So just gonna go inside and show you. She's got 2 compartments, one in the front and one in the back. And then she's also got a back zip pocket. This bag is stunning. She is large. She holds a lot. We are all dressed up for work for tomorrow. Yeah, so this is my work bag. I'm gonna move it over here now, and I'm just gonna go over, I'm just gonna remove everything that's in it, just so you can see how much she can fit. We're not going through the contents of what's in the pouches. As you all know, I use pouches for my organization in my bags. But I'm just gonna take each thing out and just show you, okay? That way you can get a good appreciation for the capacity of the bag. The first thing I'm pulling out is my extra pair of eyeglasses, AirPods. I got 2 purse perfumes in there. Going into the main compartment right on the top, I'm just going to remove my lip gloss. I got this lip gloss and then this other lip stain from Milk. This is from Fenty. Whoops, I dropped something. My Vaseline, of course. My serum for my face. Glossier. Love this thing. Hand cream. Hope you saw that. Sorry. Hand cream. My charger for my phone that I carry with me. I have this wristlet. This is what we're using this week. This got my work badge and keys in here, office keys. I'm using this larger wallet. This is from the outlet. I love this thing. It's got a lot of areas for cards. If you carry a lot of cards, this is a good one to get. Love this wallet, and that's what we're going to be in for this week. I have this Louis Vuitton clay thing where I just use this for my hair ties, for my hair. And I have a spoolie in here as well, and some hair ties. And I also have some cards in there too. Cards for like health cards. That's what's in here. And then of course, my perfume. This is by Merit. This is a full, regular size, full bottle. Bathroom pouch. In here is my cat pouch. I just have a blush in here by Fenty. I keep everything in pouches because it keeps your handbag clean in case something opens or breaks or whatever. So I'm paranoid like that. And then the pill case, I was in there. And then if I'm flipping this around, I'm just going to show you what's in the back pocket because I got something in there. And it is an iPhone 17. This is my work phone. So that's in the back here. I could also put my portable charger in the back here as well with my iPhone. And that's everything that's in the bag, friends. That's everything that is inside of this bag. So capacity is large. Yeah, this bag is so cool, friends. So cool. My shots. Let me just do some more shots for you. You can see what she looks like. That's her as a crossbody. Love it. Bag is so pretty. So cool. So nice. She's so chic. Fabulous, darling. Fabulous. So nice. Love her. Super cool. I love this bag, my friends. So nice. Okay, friends, so that was the review. Thank you so much for checking me out, and please like the video, share it, and leave me a comment. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see from me, and I'm happy to oblige. Thank you for checking me out. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next video.